Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your front bumper cover in your 2016 or 2017 Toyota Prius. Let's check it out. Okay guys, well the first things we'll do is we got to take this little piece off right here, and it's got these little tabs, and basically it's like a button. Come on, focus camera, here we go. Alright, it's got like a little button, you just push the tab down and then it pops out. So they'll be right along here, there's one there, and then we'll just pull this guy, set them off to the side, and then we've got some fasteners right along here for the front bumper cover. And then we'll take like a little pick, and you'll have these little guys, you'll reach around, just pull up, and then this little guy will pop out, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And that's like our top fasteners on our bumper cover. And then we'll come down below, and we've got a bunch of these 10mm bolts, and they're gonna be like right here. They'll be all along the front. My camera, there we go, focus. They'll be all along the front of your front bumper cover. So go ahead and take those out. I'll show you the new bumper cover, kind of get you an idea of where your fasteners are going to be. You can see there's one there, there, and this is the top, and there, and then on the bottom you can see there, all along there. And then the next one we got to get to is there's one tucked away right behind the front fender, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So we're gonna remove these little tabs right here, and our hidden piece will be right here. And actually there's a hole, I might be able to get to it, so we'll see that in a second, but it's probably like a 10 sitting right there, and we'll check that out. Hey guys, I almost forgot, there's also 2 little Phillips heads. There's one there and like one over here. Gotta take those out, and we'll begin to pop this guy off. So first we're gonna come over here and we're gonna look, and in order to get to the 10 that's setting up here, you're gonna turn these little fasteners left, and they'll look horizontal instead of vertical, and then they snap out. You just pop it and it pops out of there. It's made to be like that. Then we'll come over and look at this side where I've got it off, and you'll see right here, that is where it bolts up, and it bolts up right there. The camera will focus. Yeah, perfect. So that's where that 10 is. And then this thing, you're just gonna grab use both hands, grab it and start to pop it out, and it snaps out. You can see like along the way, it's just built in to where it kind of snaps. And just as long as you have all the fasteners out, don't be scared. Like for this area, I took a hand here and then a hand here, and just pop, and it pops out. So we'll look here in just a minute. Okay, and the removal was as simple as that. You just make sure you get all those fasteners off, and everything just kind of pops off. One thing, just make sure, like you get these sides popped off, be real careful that when you're pulling, this isn't rubbing up against your nice fender there. So take note of that. Also, now the fun begins as far as like the transfer of everything from your old bumper to your new bumper cover, and what that's going to look like here on the back side. You might have fog lights, or you might have these little covers, so Phillips head screwdrivers, and then this guy probably just pops out of there. And like your emblem, got that Toyota emblem. It's gonna be, looks like we have some Virgin clips here. Just take a pair of dikes or a pick or something, pull that off, and then this, it looks like you just take your finger and pop up, and that emblem will pop out. And then of course your little, it looks like our toe, our little toe things, which are right here. You're just gonna pop you can get on the other side and just push them out. And then they have these little things right here where you're just gonna kind of work that all the way out, so you can transfer it over. And then of course all of your bolt mounting areas, these little white tabs, you just squeeze them and push them out and transfer them to your new one. So that is pretty much it. That concludes our little project. As always, thanks for watching. Okay guys, one quick thing I failed to mention, your grill. You'll probably have fun taking this off too. It's not that bad really, but you can see there's these little tabs. From the bottom, you're gonna want to take your little pick and just push like that, and then pull the grill out. It just kind of pops out. remember, your new bumper cover, you're not gonna wanna set it quite like this. So I'm gonna do all the transfer part over there in the bubble wrap, so it's not gonna damage the new one. Also, your little emblem, like I said, I just took this pick, reached around those Virgin clips, pulled them out, and then same style tab right here, and just pop your front emblem out. So there you go.